Hi everyone, I am Pradeep Shah, student of MTech first year at IIT Jodhpur. Today I am going to present hyperbolic fine tuning method of LLM. Okay, so this is my today's presentation outline. So now most of the cases in LLM or deep learning, we assume uh, the space is Euclidean, right? So this is the most inductive biases we use. Like for calculating distance, we always use the square distance. So this paper investigates LLM embedding space, finding it is hyperbolic curved, not Euclidean space. Identifies a cancellation effect that breaks a naive hyperbolic fine tuning. Okay, so many of the authors working on that to hyperbolic fine tuning, but they are use the exponential and logarithmic method. But at the last time both cancel out each other. Why? Because we know that log of exponential of x is equal to x and exponential of log of x is equal to x. Okay, so this next we propose a new PEPT method, parameter efficient fine tuning method, HyPlora, that operates directly on the hyperbolic manifold to solve this. Demonstrates that this approach significantly enhances LLM performance, especially on complex reasoning tasks. Okay, so now this is the main problem. Language is not flat. LLMs are built on default Euclidean space assumption. This is the fundamental mismatch, as language is inherently hierarchical or tree-like structure. Euclidean geometry is notoriously inefficient at embedding hierarchies. Adding branches distorts the space. Okay, so the obviously the next alternative is hyperbolic curve space. So hyperbolic curve space is a far more suitable foundation. Its volume expands exponentially, mirroring the exponential growth of nodes in a tree hierarchy. The paper identifies a key research gap. Existing works have not attempted to study LLM embeddings in the context of non-Euclidean geometry. Okay, next. Okay, so the paper provides a three-part empirical proof of a latent hyperbolic structure. Power law distribution. Now, token frequency follows a power law distribution, a classic signature of hierarchical systems. And sigma hyperbolicity. Embeddings have sigma realistic between 0.06 to 0.1, provide a latent tree-like structure. Okay, so to find the sigma real, we use this. Okay, now to ensure scale invariance, we normalize delta by the diameter of the embedding space, diameter of x. So delta reality is equal to 2 delta divided by dimensionally of the embedding space. Okay, so this relative measures ranges from 0 to 1 with values closer to 0 indicates a highly hyperbolic, highly means the tree-like structure, and values near 1 indicating a non-hyperbolic, means flat or Euclidean structure. Okay, next we find the norm of the tokens and the watts which are lies on that specific range. Okay, so in suppose in the range of 0.3 to 0.4, the word lies on 2 in have that and is which are we are mostly use. Okay, and when the norm range is increased, the rare words we are used are lies on that. Okay, so this is the graph where we show that the token frequency distribution and token frequency versus norm of GSMK 8K dataset in Llama 3. Okay, the top row shows the power law distribution of token frequencies with decay rate sigma annotated for each dataset. So now why the cancellation method or the previous hyperbolic fine tuning not working is the exponential map and logarithmic map. Okay, previously all the authors used this method, and to perform cast space to flat tangent space they use logarithmic map, and for flat tangent space to cast space they use exponential map, and this is the inverse of each other. So they cancel each other. Okay, so now the naive approach fails because the maps are in mutually inverse function. The entire complex operation collapse back to standard Euclidean LoRa, like Z is equal to Wx plus Ba. As we know, all hyperbolic operation are cancelled and the model learns nothing new. Okay, so what is the main technique of Hive LoRa? Now, don't use the tangent space. Perform the update directly on the hyperbolic manifold itself. Introduce a direct Lorentz low rank transformation, a new transform that operates within the hyperbolic geometry. Okay. Okay, next the cancellation effect is avoided because LLR is the not the inverse of the exponential map. Okay, so here we use the exponential map, but for instead of using logarithmic map we use the LLR method. Okay, so here the updation technique is the Z is equal to Wx plus log of LLR Ba and exponential of x. Okay, this formulation forces the update to respect the model's latent hyperbolic geometry. Okay, so the LLR formulation, what is the LLR formulation? The LLR represents the direct Lorentz low rank transformation which operate the hyperbolic representation xh directly. Okay, so LLR Ba xh is equal to this formula, and where y is the above. Okay, so two transformation are considered in this design with u representing both x and y. U star h is equal to us and u star is equal to u. Okay, so in both cases it can be verified that the LLR method is belongs to the Lorentz space. Okay, now the hierarchical error update. Okay, so a Taylor series analysis reveals the crucial differences. Okay, so del of q LoRa is equal to Bax, where hyper LoRa is approximately Bax mod of x square, and this is the formula. This is the central mechanism. Okay, Hive LoRa update is scaled by norm of x square. Okay, since token norm and token specificity implies each other, Hive LoRa is a specificity aware update and paying more attention to concrete high norm tokens. Okay, so now we apply this new parameter efficient fine tuning method Hive LoRa in many of the dataset, like so models Llama, Gemma and Llama 3 were fine tuned on Math 10K and evaluated on 4 arithmetic reasoning benchmarks. Hive LoRa consistently outperforms all other paved method LoRa and Dora across all base models. The advantage is most pronounced on the hardest datasets GSM 8K and AQUA, confirming the hypothesis that modeling hierarchy aids complex reasoning. Okay, so this is the result where where our method Hive LoRa is going better compared to the LoRa and Dora fine tuning method. Okay, next the we compare on the LoRa tangent and Hive LoRa method. Okay, so is the gain from the specific Hive LoRa technique or just from using hyperbolic geometry in general? Okay, so three methods are compared: LoRa standard Euclidean baseline, the naive method that suffers from the cancellation effect, and Hive LoRa, the proposed method with the direct LLR which avoids cancellation. Okay, so this is the table. You can see the result where our method is performs better. Okay, now this is the one of the question where the LoRa gives the wrong answer and our model Hive LoRa is give the correct answer. Okay, so LoRa failure in this for this example, Hive LoRa success correctly identify the multi-step method. Now next the conclusion. Okay, so investigation first empirical proof that LLM token embeddings have a strong latent hierarchical hyperbolic structure. Okay, so next Hive LoRa proposed the first hyperbolic parameter efficient fine tuning method introducing the direct Lorentz low rank transformation to solve the cancellation effect. Prove the mechanism works, leading to shorter performance on complex reasoning tasks, up to 13% gain on AQUA. Okay, So, but this work has some limitation. We use a single fixed curvature for all prompts. Future work explore adaptive technique where the model can learn or adjust the curvature on the fly. Limitation: the exponential and log map operation and computational overhead. Okay, investigate more efficient method or approximation to reduce this computational cost. Okay, so thank you. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me on my social media handles. Thank you.